Assalamu alaikum. As you guys know, it is me, Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people today. You guys must have heard me on PTV as of today, and we spoke about many things and we talked about quite a lot of things, but there are a few things I'd like to speak about before we finish off this little speech. Basically, what I wanted to talk about was the events and the consequences of our basically whole summer vacations. It is a moment where we have a chance to be able to do something that is a bit beyond, something that is beyond the normal. So we have a big opportunity on our hands, and yet many people waste such opportunities. As you guys can see, I'm currently at PTV World and I'm at the PTV main, you can say, main place. So as of we are speaking, I have another show where I'm again going to be talking about different things, such as what to do in our summer vacation, such as much more. So basically, this time that we have in our summer vacations is very limited. We do not have enough time, we do not have enough resources. Lots of people say this, but summer vacations give you the perfect opportunity to be able to do something, to pursue something, to do something unique, to do something new. You can learn new skills, you can learn new languages, you can learn new things, you can become better version of yourself, and you can do so much more. You can explore the world, you can explore everything around you, and you can do a lot of things.